Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of you have been asking for me to show the filtration and also the compressor that I'm using. Here's the video. Okay, let's begin. This is a Cobalt 80-gallon compressor. It does have a 5 horsepower motor with a 2-stage compressor right there. Now the filtration that I'm using right there in the beginning, I do have a steel camel filter, which I actually need to change. I do have the brand new one right there. Let's actually do that right now so that we can continue with the video. Super simple to remove. There you go. Now let's get the new filtration from Steel Camel right there, guys. This is the part number and install it. It's hard to do with one hand. There it is. Brand new filter. Now I also have these filters. I've had these for, oh man, couple of years already, but I don't really need to change the desiccant beads. This has desiccant beads stacked often now because of that, because of the steel filter, the Steel Camel filter. It's been eliminating most of the water oil that's coming from the compressor, and I really don't have to change the desiccant beads anymore. But I had these, so I'm just gonna leave them. All right. Now, as per the piping, all I do have it coming out of here, coming down, and I do have 50 feet of piping going up and down. Why 50 feet before the other filters? Because I do need that air to get all the moisture and everything that it's going to occur between the filtration and the hose to the paint gun. I do need it to be clean, and this is a perfect way to do it. I do have 3 valves that open up, get all the water moisture that might have gotten away from the Steel Camel, which it's hardly any, so that that's the reason this top part is kind of obsolete, but I'm just gonna leave it there. But if you haven't tried it, try the Steel Camel filtration, guys. I'm gonna leave everything in the description below as to where I got everything. All right, even the compressor, it's gonna be there. So that's a compressor system that I have. After that, I just hook it up right there, 50-foot hose straight to the painting area. All right. Also, this compressor is a 220 volt right there, guys. So yeah, I needed to run all this wire and connect it with the 220 volt. So I do have this covered up. There you go. And I'm also finishing up with the tailgate. I already fixed all the dents. I did went to bare metal in a couple of places, which is not bad. I am gonna apply some epoxy primer before I can apply the final 3 coats of primer, high build primer. So there you go. That's gonna be the final priming that this tailgate's gonna have before the final sanding. I also want to show this t-shirt from Steel Camel that they sent. This is a real nice shirt, guys. This is, I think, is the front. Let me show you the back. This is the back, guys. I love it. Really nice shirt. And this is gonna be it, guys. Thank you very much. Also, if you need information as to the products that I just showed, everything's in the description below. Go ahead, follow them up, tell them Faraway sent you. And this is gonna be it for this video. Thank you very much. Like always, stay safe and God bless. Yeah.
hands deep in the grease. Call it auto therapy. Far away spray, got the drip.